Hi everyone, this is your sewing teacher Veronica, and in this video I will show you several tips how you can learn to stitch straight. A lot of my students ask me, because in the beginning it's a little bit chaotic, so they ask me how can I learn to stitch straight, I'm not happy with my stitches, and in this video I will show you several tips how you can learn faster and your stitch will look very straight and very nice. So the easiest thing that you can do is just take a piece of paper, we don't even need fabric, make straight lines and stitch on the paper. It's going to work, it's going to be fine, we don't need fabric, just try to stay on these lines and make several stitches. What you can also do, you can take a piece of fabric, so it's a little bit next level, and you make lines a little bit difficult, so not straight but just this type of lines where you have to turn, or like really big zigzag, and try to follow these lines. And it's important when you want to turn, that needle should go inside of the fabric, should not be raised. If it's raised, then you have to turn hand wheel and push it down, and only in this case you can raise the foot and turn. Okay, this is really important moment. Next tip how to stitch straight is use hand wheel. So look, for example, if you need to make stitch and you have to stop directly in this point, for example, I have to reach this green line and stop here. It's very important for me, don't go further. You can use this hand wheel for this. I will show you how it works. So I start with normal stitch and use foot pedal as I would normally do. And I come closer now, and I'm not sure that with foot pedal I can stop in the right moment. In this case, what you do, you turn the hand wheel. So when I turn it, you see that the machine makes very slowly stitches, and I just make several stitches till this line, and then I know for sure, one more, that I stop in the right place. And now I can go back if I need the back stitch. So the hand wheel can help you to go and stop in the right moment, and do not go too further with the foot pedal if you don't feel confident yet. Next tip for you is to change the speed of your machine if you have this option. My machine is very basic, I cannot adjust the speed. It goes how it goes with the foot, but what you can do, you can take off your shoes, and then it will be easier for you to control the foot pedal, and you will feel it more. One more tip how you can make straight stitches, you can find a point on the foot here, or sometimes you have lines on your machine here, and focus on them. So for example, I can focus on this side of the foot, right side of my foot, and place the edge of my fabric together with the right side. So there's no distance, they just go aligned. And I don't look at the needle when I stitch, I look at this side and just make sure they go together. This helps me to go with the same distance from the edge. Another tip is to use another foot. For example, this one is actually for zippers, but we can use it here too. So you can focus on this side of the foot, the right one or the left one, then the stitch will go very close to the edge. And again, I match it with the edge of the fabric, and try to focus on the side of the foot and just go, keep them aligned, okay? It ended up not very straight because of tapped fabric, but you got an idea. You will just go with the same distance from the edge as here also. I hope this video was useful for you. You can practice, and I'm sure these tips will help you to improve your stitches. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I post twice a week sewing tips and tricks. And I hope you like this channel. Follow me for more videos for beginners, and not only beginners.